Okay, now you guys might be able to hear me. If you didn't hear me, we're gonna do. Whoa, geez, I knocked that out. Oh my gosh. Okay, but we are going to be now. We just got this parked into the garage. That's my dad's old square body. Now we're gonna drive that home. Here's my mom. My mom Karen's coming. Okay, just got done talking to Karen. Now we gotta start this up. So turn the key, press the brake down. Okay, shift down into reverse. Oh my gosh, bro. No wonder why I wasn't going fast. Instead of hitting the gas, I was hitting the dang brake. Man, what is that cow doing over there? Oh, geez. Now I gotta go shift down to low gear. Turn this. And yeah. So that's how we set up our like how we take our lawnmower in and park it and stuff. Now I'm just gonna drive the side-by-side back up. Hey guys, watch this. Watch that speedometer. Watch that speedometer. I was flying. And there's, you might not be able to see it yet, but there's our golf cart. And that is how to put your lawnmower in your shed and get back to your house. That's my mom's. Hold up. That's my mom's car. My dad's car right there, or truck. Go up in here. And I'm going to show you guys my dad's. Found this next to my mom's car. Thank you. And this is my dad's truck. So yeah, that's how to. Oh, there's kitty. What's up, my G? Give me some, bruh. Well, see you guys in the next video.